If you're looking for a heavy-duty power strip that has a ton of features, you're absolutely going to love this. I'm going to show you what it looks like in just 1 second. First, you get the double pull switch. You're going to have cord management on this one. You have metal housing, and you're going to have a flat plug. This is exactly what it looks like right here, which I really, really like. Again, you could do the cord management over here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different plugs right here. This power strip is going to turn that on for you. If you want to turn these outlets on individually or off individually, you could do that as well, which is a nice feature. Most strips, you have to either turn the whole thing on or off. Not with this one. Really, really like slot. You could even hang this up right over here if you wanted to do that. You also have it on the other side, so you go this way if you wanted to, or you could hang it like that. So if you're looking for a great heavy-duty power plug, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to Blaine for sending us over so I could do this review.